All right, so just NeetCode one. Given an array nums return if any value appears more than uh process. Question valid given two strings S and T. Return true if the two strings are otherwise return false. The anagram is a string that contains characters as another string, but the order of the characters. Question. All right. Given an array of integers, nums target I and j. Nums of I plus target 3, 4, 5, 6. Target equals 7. 0 and 1 is 7. Okay. Use a hash map. Right, to get both of the values. Nums complement. Want to check if the complements uh um complement, and want to also add these line. I don't think you guys are. All right, group anagrams. Given an array of group all anagrams together, sublist. I'll put in anagram is a string that contains. So this is a column, but it'll be a list. You can have it dot dict. Will save a lot more lines. So for S and actually win it based on their sorted character. And at the end, you can return the values of the value. Okay, so yeah, this should work. I got nothing for the output. That's not a pinning. Oh, okay. Goofy. Now that should work. I didn't have the right one. Question number 5. Top k frequent element. So it says given an integer array nums and k, return k, return the k most frequent elements of array. The test cases are generated and generated such that the array is always unique. Return the output in any order. Okay, so we just want to return the topmost values in order based on k. So that's how we need. Honestly, solve this in 2 liners. So map. Okay, so I try to do this in one line. Uh, largest, and inside here, and so remember it'll be based on okay. The former param lines. Nice. All right. That was question number 5. Question number 6. Okay, this question is pretty. I might get to this. That one's kind of boring. So product of array except itself. Given all integer array nums, where output I is product of all the product is the huh. So what you can actually do is you can do prefix. And what we do list based on the link based on the we'll compute the prefix product for you. Should I do this? Should I forward or backwards? Of I guess it makes sense. Backwards. So we're gonna multiply each value by its and we just work. No, it doesn't work. Why? So our prefix is set 1, and we're looping backwards n minus 1. Got a wrong answer. Oh, output of I. Oh, you cannot access the local variable postfix. Where's oh okay. Need to actually assign a value for set them both to okay. Now they have values, and looks like our calculation. All right. Let's see why that is. 1, 2, 4, 6. I guess it's not that. We can pretty much the same, but we'll go forward. All right. Okay. So we have the prefix. So this is not to really. We can do for item range. So now that we computed the prefix, we can now do this. Let's output. Oh, and that doesn't. All right, so I'm getting the same. Oh, hmm. All right, on my math, you have to revisit this. Oh, okay. Can't access my. I'm wearing glasses. Yeah, I think that. All right. Let's do valid seduce. All right. And true. Each row must contain the digits 1 to 9 without duplicate. So no duplicates. Column must contain. The row. Okay, copy this box. Output. Oh. So I'm doing 9 because that's what we should looping through for the count. Now I'm just traversing through the list, the graph, and we can actually store it. And so equals now this part where I want to have a box and box index. That should be correct. we're checking if it's a 3x3 sub box. So that's why we're doing. R was what else? Boxes, box. Okay, so if this is the case, so we're just checking if the number already exists in the current row, column, or the box. So, okay, so if that's the case, it'd be false. Now we add box. So basically, if it doesn't go through, oh, okay, period. Hopefully this works. I haven't actually solved it. Okay, this is my first time trying to actually solve this problem. I played Sudoku before. Okay. Yeah, I need to revisit. Need to revisit these two questions later. Hopefully I can figure it out. But for now, I just want to see how many problems I can solve and solve without anything slowing me down. How much time do I have left? We're at 17 minutes. Okay, so given an array of integer nums, return the length of the longest consecutive sequence. Okay, use a set actually. We'll store the set in nums. So the reason why we do this is because we can get access to the values in O of 1. All we have to do is keep track of this. And next we'll just iterate through that. So for num and that. All right, so basically, if the one before it, so basically what we're doing is checking if the start of the sequence is there. So we're looking for the start of the sequence. So the trick is if you look for num minus 1. So we can create a new variable called current num. And basically, we want to keep track of the current streak. So we can initialize the current streak. While current num plus 1 is in the set. What do we do? So if it's in the set, that means we actually increase current num. We also increase. At the end, we want to get the longest streak. You would just max it. Longest. How many problems have we solved? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Not too bad, not too bad. All right, valid palindrome. This one should be easy. One shouldn't be bad, but I'll read over it just because I actually solved this problem before. So I could do a 2-pointer for this problem, but I could do it in one line. All right, so yeah, you're given a string as return. Let's just do 2-pointer. All right, return true if it's a palindrome, otherwise return false. A palindrome is a string that reads the same forwards and backwards. It is also case insensitive and ignores all non-alphanumeric characters. So we want to keep track of the case as well. But yeah, let's just do 2-pointer for this because this is like the most intuitive approach. So okay, so now we want to check while left is less than not. So we want to basically move the left pointer to the next alphanumeric character available. Oh, not sure about how to actually check. I think it's our num. If I remember correct. Okay. Then we can left pointer. All right. This is where we decrement. All right. That seems pretty self-explanatory. Okay. Now we want to actually compare. So if s left lower, and I need to get my glasses. Like equal low. So we're actually like lowering the characters itself. So uh it's pretty nice that we can do that. We want to like uncapitalize it. Now we don't want to get stuck in an infinite while loop. We want to move the pointer. And you can that was not bad. Okay. What are we? 9 questions now? Okay, I haven't solved this question before. Two integers sum 2. So actually I've solved NeetCode 75 before. I haven't done these questions before for 2 integers sum 2. So I gotta actually take some time to read this one. So given an array of integer numbers that is sorted in non-decreasing order, return the indices one index of 2 numbers. Okay. You have index 1, index 2 such that they add up to a given target and index 1 is less than 2. Note that index 1 and index 2 cannot be equal. Therefore, you may not use the same element twice. Oh, okay. So they can't be equal. That's the big part. So there will be exactly one valid solution. Uh this looks like just another 2 points. Not gonna lie. So we can initialize our point of wonder why they use numbers instead of nums, like do some problem. All right. So the first step that when I'm solving this question, you want to always ask yourself like, what should we do? In this question, you definitely want to calculate the current sum of the two numbers. So we want to do this by all right, you can take the numbers, the left pointer plus numbers, right pointer, right? So now we have the current sum. All you have to do is check if the current sum equals a target or not. If it equals target, that means that we can return left plus 1 plus 1 as well. Right, that makes sense. Okay, so L of current sum less than the target. So if the current sum is less than the target, you can just increment the pointer. And if you hit the other case where current sum is greater than target, you can just write minus equal 1. Right. So it shouldn't give us an infinite loop. Okay. Okay. Yeah, it works. Nice. All right, that was easy. Yeah. So yeah, maybe I'll save the explanation for another. Okay, threesome. I've solved this before, but been a while. Threesome. See how to solve this one. So given an integer array nums, it actually has been like about 8 months since I've done this question. Okay, so given an integer array nums, return all triplets nums of I, nums of j, and nums of k, where nums of I plus nums of j plus nums of k equals 0. Okay, so we just want like unique combinations where it equals 0. So that's like the whole goal, like -1, -1, 2, 0, -1, 0, 1. That's that's gonna be 0 as well, right? So the first thing that you can do is just sort it, and you want to have a variable for triplets, and the triplets is just your result variable that you can. So it'll be empty list. Okay. If I is greater than 0, all right. So I equals. Oh, we can continue to the next. We'll just skip it. Right. So this question, the trick is that you can put the 2 pointers. You can just use 2 pointer, and I'll just do that inside. But I'll do it after I plus 1, and for the left pointer, and then for the right pointer, it'll be the end of the list, right? So while left is less than right, you can take the current sum, and the current sum is equal to. Oh, what the heck just happened? I gotta go back. Okay, I guess. All right, I'll count it towards the time. What are we at? What are we at right now? 26. Okay. We're at a. Not gonna lie, we're at a pretty good point. I think. Okay. Yeah. So while left is less plus left is less than right, we can take the current sum with triplets. Oh. Okay. Sums of I plus plus. So this is your current sum, right? And uh, we can actually start pinning stuff. So if current equals 0, do triplets 10 sums of I stuff. Right. Right. Okay. So now that we have that, you can move the pointers. So now, I don't think this will. Oh wait, I didn't return it. Loop. Wait, what's going on? Why is it not running? Whatever. Oh, why is it not running? Rush the page. Page 2 works. Oh, it returns nothing. Okay. Wait, what's the error? What's the error saying? Oh, mistake exactly one argument. Okay, well. I want to check the value before. This is like where the duplicate. We really want to avoid duplicate. Oh wait. Right. So we can. So the current sum is less than 0. Plus. Right. Let me turn. Good work. Sure. And that's because on line 34 I have 2 phones. Wait. 930. I have it right. Valid syntax. Oh, because I'm showing. More errors. Wait, hold up. Something wrong. Should be inside there. All loop. All loop should. Okay. Oh, I have a lot of indentation errors right now. I haven't written in Python in a while, not gonna lie. And I get it wrong. And I don't get outputted. Well, left is less than right. Current sum. Current sum equals 0. Those values move the left and right. And while left is less than right, comes a left. Comes a left minus 1. Like duplicate. Yeah, but current sum is less than 0. That means that sort. That's for I in range. I is greater than 0 and num I minus initial I plus 1 and like left is left. Current sum I plus left to right. And current sum equals 0 on the triplet. And you append those 3 values. And then you can find the next trip of your pointers. And within this while loop, so while left is less than right, and nums are left minus 1. That's the case. Left plus equal 1 to the pointer. While left is less than right, nums are right. You do right minus equal. Left current sum 0. Left plus equals 1. Okay. This question might take me a little bit while. I have to come back to it. I wanna keep on a good pace of solving this many. Okay. General most wider. I haven't solved this one in a while either. You're giving it integer array heights. Heights are height bar. You may choose any 2 bars to form a container. Return the maximum amount. Okay. So sliding window probably. 0 like heights. I also want to change the topic after this. I might go to graphs. Uh, so while left is less than right, current area. So you want to calculate the current area and do this by doing right minus left. And you can multiply it by the minimum. So you want to pick the minimum of the thing. And heights of right. Right. Okay. So now you want to, after you have that, you want to update the current max area. At the end, you return that. So the max will be, it'll be max area. Gonna be nothing current area. Okay. So this is where we want to. Oh, this is just 2 pointers, honestly, but this is like just where you want to move your pointer. So right to left is less than right, where you increment your pointer. Else right minus. A 2 pointer, right? Yep. Okay. On to the next problem. Yeah, I need to this is a good way for me to know what I should be studying. Okay, let's do this LeetCode hard. Trapping rain with most water. Okay, I have not solved this question before. Not gonna lie. Okay, so you are given an array non-negative integers heights, which represents an elevation map. So each value heights I represents the height of a bar, which has a width of 1. Represents the height of a bar, which has a width. Okay. Return the maximum area of water that can be trapped between these bars. So you have 0, 2, 0, 3, 1, 0, 1. Okay, he got 9. Okay, that makes sense. 2, 5, 6. Yeah, that makes sense. But what are the inputs? You have the height. Okay. This one doesn't seem. This one doesn't seem like a hard. Not height. Where that's like the first edge case. If like there's nothing, and you return. Set up 2 pointers. So these are all just like 2 pointer problems so far. Because I should have picked should have done randomized. Probably would be more interesting. So we can set left max and right max in 0. And at the end we wanna return trap water. Let's see. While left is less than right, if height of left is less than height of right, um this is the case then. We want to update the left max height. So to do that, if of left max. So else we can add trap water at the current position, and to do that, where we actually left max minus right. Um, and after that, left point. We'll move the left pointer to. Oh, okay. We'll go into this else statement 5. So now The goal is to update the right max height. So we basically kind of do this. So we literally just do the same thing. So within this else statement, yeah, I can literally just copy this line right. This is right max. And after that, we can should be right. Yeah, that was a. It's not really a leak code hard. Not gonna lie. That was my first time actually solving this. What time is it? I really want to do a graph problem. 40 minutes. Oh, okay, okay. Wait. We can easy one. Let's count how much we have so far. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. This would be our 12th problem. That's time to buy and sell stock. So this is another 2-pointer question. This one will probably be my last 2-pointer. Solving too many points. But yeah, so you're given an integer array prices. Where prices I is the okay. I guess NeetCode changed like the name of it a little bit of the problem, or not the name, but like the description of the problem. But you may choose a single day to buy one earn coin. Choose a different day in the future. So earn the maximum profit you can. I'm not gonna lie, this is like my first time trying to speed run doing algorithmic questions, but I'll probably do a lot faster if I don't talk. Have done initially. Okay. So you can have a min price and a max price, and we'll just iterate through the prices, right? So for price and prices, when we iterate through the price, we'll update. So if price is less than min price, so min price equals price, else max profit, max of max profit. So between these, you can take the max profit, or you can take the current price minus the min price. And at the end, all you have to just profit. Nice. Okay. Well, that was 12 question, right? Any other easy ones I can do? That's easy. These ones too. Oh. Well, let's do a stat question. Valid parentheses. So you are given string s consistent. I actually got asked this question on one of my interviews actually, or very similar to valid parentheses. I haven't done this in like 9 months, like almost a year now. But you know, you make a dictionary to store everything. So call it bracket map. We'll store like the closing bracket first for the key, and this value will be associated with the open bracket. So that's like the first pair. Next pair will be this curly braces. I have to get look at this. The curly braces we map with the open braces, and then the open closed bracket map with the open bracket, and it's just 3 pairs. All right, so now we want to actually iterate through the string. So if the okay, so basically if the character is a closing bracket, uh, what we can do is pop the top of the stack. Yep, and that's only if and yeah, so if it matches, we can pop the top of the stack, and on the stack will just be appending one of the brackets. So char bracket map. So with the value or the open bracket is on there. Oh, the top element. Top element equals top. If there's a stack, else fill it in. But if the mapping for the closing bracket does not fit, if it doesn't match the top element, you can just return false, right? So to do that, you can check the bracket char not top false. All right, so else stack dot append char. So if it doesn't get into those conditions, and at the end we can just return if the stack is empty. Should work. Okay. Oh, okay, okay. Sorry. Then need to check it with them. Okay. Easy. 13 questions. And get to 15. 4619. I do another stat question. Daily temperature. About that one. I've done this problem in class before. But what we can do is I want to go through all the topics. So let's try doing binary search. Actually, for the funds of it, we'll just do mediums. So we'll do my binary level order. Okay, so during a binary tree root, return the level order of traversal of it as a nested, where each sublist contains the value of a node of the nodes at a particular level in the tree. So you have the input root 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so you basically just return the levels. Like, okay, you want to have a result variable. Not we can. We can just turn it empty. But what we can use is a first in first out. So we can use BFS actually, reference search. Basically, I think NeetCode already has it imported, but we can hold the top element first. So while q, right? You can do the level size. You know, for the variable, the length. I want to hold level. Okay, so I haven't solved this in a while. Okay. So for given a binary level size, we know it equals to top left, so top to left. After you do that, and you can All right, so at the end, this both the well, let me try seeing. So it's already not. Yeah, you do need this. Uh, so 14 problems. Yeah, that was just BFS. So we can do right side view. You just want to return the right side view. All right, this is my first time solving this one, but this is a good problem, honestly. We can use DFS for this probably as well, using the same method, but you want to only probably only check. You want to check for the right one, right side only. So 1, 4, 5, 6, 5. Okay. That definitely makes sense. Okay, this one's not too bad. This is my first time solving it, but I can get it in one try. So if not root, so now we can do set up BFS again. So it's like literally like the exact same problem. Not gonna lie. I have a level size variable. The length. Okay, so now we want to traverse all nodes at the current level itself. So we can do another for loop just like how we did it, and go all the way up to a level size. Node equals q dot pop left. So hold that value, that pop left. So now we're checking if the last node at the current level, we can just add it to the result. So we can do this in yeah, we'll do this if I equals level size minus 1. So if that's the case, we oh, okay, if node dot left. Yeah, yeah, đấy. Dot pin node dot left. Sorry guys, I had to take my sister to church after. All right. Yeah, it should be good. Oh no. Your output. Huh. Oh, okay. I do need. Okay. Oh, it's 15 problems. Oh, 53 minutes. I guess I can do one more. Binary tree. It's a good fun problem. I want to do one more. Okay, okay. We can do DP. We can do DP. We'll do climbing stairs in the next one. Okay. So it says you are given an integer n representing the number of steps to reach the top of the stairs. You can climb either 1 or 2 steps at a time. Number of distinct ways to climb at the top of the staircase. So n equals 2, 2, n equals 3, 3. All right. I'm gonna try to solve as many as I can right now. So we're talking. We're at 54. The goal is to maybe I can do 3 more problems. Yeah, I can talk. So we want to store the number of ways to climb into each step. So we can do this, right? Now we want to have base case. Now we want to fill in the DP array. Fill in the array. Right. And this should give us the solution. Next problem, next problem. We go into the next problem. That was 16, I think. Okay, min cost climbing stairs. So this is very similar to the last problem, but so what is the difference? I haven't solved. So you were given an array of integers cost, where cost I is the cost of taking a step from the I floor of a staircase. After paying the cost, you can step either the I plus one or the I plus floor. Make sure you start at the index 0 or index. Okay, okay. That this one is like literally not that bad. Cost. GPO is 0 times. Yeah. You can do the base cases like we did earlier. Uh, at the I2 so far. Solved it. Oh, the cost. So we can take the minimum of the first I minus 1 step or I minus 2. At the end, we can just literally return the minimum cost, reach n or n minus 1. To do this, wait, so pay the cost for cost 0. Pay the cost. All right, so yeah, at the end, what you literally can do is you just return the doesn't work. Name DP is not. Oh, what the heck? Yeah, I'm not using my glasses, so it's hard to see a little bit, and it's not the right. Why is it not right? And time I got left. Oh shoot. Looks like I can't even figure out this. Try a different approach. I don't want to end it off here. Or I name these variables a lot better. Doesn't work. I'll try a different approach, but this approach is actually a lot more efficient as well. Oh, actually, I think it did work. Wait, hold up. No, 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 no. Go back. Lost. Lost. All right. So you can do cur equals plus 1 was pro. You return them in between prep 1. Hopefully that works. It does work. Ooh, that I'm a little bit. Oh shoot, I'm 50 seconds over time. All right, well, let's count how much I was able to solve. So at the end, I solved 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 14, 16, 17. All right, well, I could only solve 17 questions, but yeah, I'll see you guys later.